Okay, and there you are. Okay, how's your A? Good. Maybe give me your A. So let's start with P and A, and let's start with the first page today. Okay, now in this opening, we want. Do you need rosin on your bow, or do you have?
No, it was just a little loose.
Okay, so we're gonna sound like bells, but your beginning of the bell is okay, but then it kind of stops. So we're not gonna let the bow. We're not gonna let the bow stop. So we keep it moving, and we give it a shape. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, so let's try to give it a shape with less bow. Then each one has more bow, and that's the boast. Ba, ba, don't stop your bow. And up, down. Don't stop the bow. Then piano. Down, up. Good. Then we start a little bit more here, and then here will be a little less, and here is the least. You see, so we're going to follow the topography. So we'll start a little bit more. Keep your bow moving. Then this one a little less. Ba, ba, and this one the least. Good, good. That's good. So, and the bow needs to play the grace note. And good. And down. Good. Now, what if we make an extension? So we'll make an extension here. Good. But we'll have to play a little bit more and keep that bow moving. And good. Now, can you really show us the up, down, so? That's kind of a cry. Don't stop your bow. Ya, ba, ba. And then we get we have an interval of what here? A fifth. It takes time, right, to get there. Time. To say nothing about that. Fifth. Right. And down. That's right. Okay. Now, I want to just do one thing. I want you just to let the bow, let your arm, see my arm is here, just going to let it rest in the string. Good, and all the way to the tip. Good. And the D and the G. And the A and the E. Good. See here? I'm going to just let it go. Go. That's right. So can we use a little bit of that sound? Keep your bow moving and stop up. And more here. And down. Now here, ya, ba, ba. And left. And take time. Oh, don't stop your bow. Good. So, can I really hear? So look at this finger. Travels on top of the string. Good. Oh, that was good. But don't stop your bow. Good. Ba, and down, down. Rock. Up, up. 2. 2, 3. Up. Good. So we probably can all of a sudden take a slower tempo, you know. Up, down. So how about from here to, good, but you have to count 3/8 notes. 3. Good, so from here, up, down, yeah, down, up, down. Okay, now from here to, I have to feel the second beat. So I have to, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Does that make sense? 2. Up, up. That was very good. That was good. 2. Now, as you play, save the bow. So we have enough bow here. Save the bow, save, and up. 1, 2. Frog. Good. Now, these can be right at the frog. Frog, A, 2. Good. And then save the bow. Crescendo, and 1, 2, 3, up. Good. So they're not as fast as you think. Up. Up, down, 2, 3, up. Yeah, no, not too slow. Off. But what you can do, off, down, off, 2, 3. No, how many beats?
3.
Plus what's that bird's eye on top?
Oh, fermata.
Yeah, so 1, see how slow I have to draw the bow? And then I retake. 2, 3. Down, 2, 3, 4. Keep your bow moving, see. Fa, 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 and ya, fa, fa, fa. And now we start the crescendo. Up. And bells, bells, bells. And down, down, 1. Good, and we keep it to the very. That's right. Okay, is it memorized?
I don't know.
Okay, let's just get this guy memorized, okay? Next. Because it'll be a lot easier to play it when it's memorized.
These double stops still aren't super fast.
Okay, we'll work them out. Now, we have to figure out the best place to play these. So, if you're here, probably not so good. Here, not so good. So it's probably going to be the balance point. So, let's try 2, 3. Good. Does that feel comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these are going to be here, and then to the tip. Back to this place. Tip, up, Yeah, you don't need to rush. 2, 3, and 2, 3. 2, 3. Good. Okay, that was weird. That was good. And then time. Put a big line. So let's go from up, 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 Okay, now they're going to be great. You need to just get them memorized, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to do the first measure. Good, good. I want to try something. We're going to do. So we're going to play perfect fifth and shift down, bop, 2, and 2, good, good, now shift. That's right, that's right. Can we do that a few times? Again. Good. So just know this is our perfect fourth, a fifth, and major sixth. Fifth. Good. Again. That's it. So just think of your second finger here. Second. That's it. Good. Okay, so now 2. 2. Good. And we'll do it a few times. Good. And then we have to come over for our second here. Good. The D. That's right. So we'll do this measure. Good. So we'll do it a few times. Good. If you can, I know here I have to take my 4 off also, but if you can leave your 1 and 3 down. Good. That's good. Can you do them moves? Good. Now we're going to go shift. Good. Well, that was good. Now just. Good. Now, next one we're going to do just one measure. you go from, what happens to the first finger?
Jumps.
Yeah, half step higher. Good. Good. Okay, so let's do these two measures. Good. Okay, so let's go now 5. And look ahead. Now, next one. Good. Good. Okay, now we'll do 1. We'll do slowly first. Now the next one's easy because we've done it already, right? It was the second measure. So let's do. Good. Next measure. Yeah. Good. Well, that was very good. Okay, so now we're going to go 2, 3 with our good mark to lay, prepare. Shift. That was good. Now we're going to go very legato. Very legato. And yada-dee, yada-dee, and well, that was better. Now, can we go faster? Just let's try. Wow. Just less bow. Wow. And shift with the head. Wow. And down. And down. Good. Now we want to keep it not in this part of the bow, but see if you can get to your balance point. And level down. And down. Down. Okay, so that took 10 minutes. So if you can do that process every day, you'll have it. Next, just get it memorized. Next. Good. Now we want to start on the bottom. Up. Good. Good, good. That's it. So So we're going up to what position?
4th, 5th,
Fifth position, right? Fingerings are the same as?
1st.
Yes. Okay, so here we go. Shift, 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 shift. Stop. Good. Shift. Good. Shift. Shift. And a little softer. And up. And good. And then this is, we're gonna watch, we're gonna roll the bow. And it's piano. Good. And down. Up, up. Good. So with these we're really and we're really going to bring out those separate notes. So we can use a little more bow. Up, good. Up, down, up, up. Good. Now, can you write this one? Let's make a diminuendo. Can you write that in? So let's go here one for a little more lyrical. And up. Get to the middle of the bow. Up. A little closer to the frog. Frog. Good. Up. Take your time. Okay, now you almost have it. Yeah, so we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, drop it. Drop it. Ooh, very good. So let's do this. Drop it. Good. And coming down. Good. Now we're going to do 3. Up. 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 Feel the energy on the up and 2s. Good. With 2s we still need the across with our trill. So let's at least do 3. Good. Good. Okay, then good. So save the bow. And then you're going to change your string with your level. Pop, 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 pop. Good. Good. So listen to the bow. Good. Good. That was good. One other thing. Then, like a trampoline. I have to be in the trampoline to get out. Good. Good. No, but we need. Good. So I have to hear. Good. Pop, pop. Good. Good. Pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. No, and then. Good. Ah, yeah, pop, pop, pop. Okay, can we do this again? A little faster. Good. Save a little bit more bow. Up, I dropped it. Up. Up. Up, 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 up. Take your time. Here, up. Yeah, and down. Down. After A sharp. A sharp. A sharp. Good. Good. Don't forget that A sharp, right? Okay. Now, just from here, yeah. So here, this is our new section here, right? So we bring out the A, and then we have the A sharp, and C sharp, right? So we're gonna just go from that A there, and we're gonna just play that. We get to play longer A, No, so the A is longer. A, and get to the balance point. A, get to the balance point. B, no, B. that make sense? Okay, I want to go just from C sharp. That's right. Okay, so let's do this again. A. Good. Make sure you're in a good part of the bow. Fa-da-dee-da-dee-da. Good. Middle, get to the middle. Down, all the measures start down bow. Good, but we're always repeating this C. C. Good. A. Good. So here. That's right. Okay, so can we go from for now, we're gonna feel the first of four. 1. Then later, starting here, we'll go into 3. But we're just gonna do 4s now, so the bow, good, but get yourself in that balance point. 1, 2, 3, A. Down. A. Good. That's the idea. Okay. Now, every day are you doing 2 or 3 rhythms? Okay. Let's do 1 rhythm. Choose any rhythm just from here that you want to do. Good articulation. That was very good. Okay, so every day to do, let's say, 3 different rhythms.
Yeah.
Okay? If not more. Okay, so let's go. Up. Okay, now these we're going to start from, see how I put the bow on the string? So go slowly. Bop. Good. So we're gonna move over the fingerboard. Put the bow. No, but you have. Good. Wow, this is really important. See how I put the bow on. So we're gonna do slow motion. Stop. Pop. Poof. Ba-da-da. Pop. So if I have to draw the bow. See, I have to draw it a little faster. No, from the string. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop. Pop, down. Okay, so the key is really starting the bow from the string. So I want to go just this first, this one here. Can we just do our Colette the frog? Bop, bop. That's it. Ooh, do you hear now how nice that is? So if you practice with the Colette poof, poof, and shoulder, and good. Next one. Good. Good. So we want to not go rolling the bow, you know, pop, pop. Can we just do Colette here? And poof, pop, 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 pop. Good. Pop, pop. Pop, pop, down, up. And down. Good. So these have to be a little more over the fingerboard. And if I draw the bow too slowly, I'll scratch. So can you do the cello bow? Do cello bow. Pop, pop, fingers, pop, up. Good. And sing your and. No, but you really have to be patient. Put the bow on the string. Pop, pop, pop. Up. Good. So this one. So over the fingerboard. Good. Pop, 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 pop. Up now. Good. And then we do subito piano. We do subito piano. Good. Frog, frog, pop. And crescendo, pop, pop. Okay. Now you're doing this. Can we do our... Good. And... No, you're going to start from the string. Pop, pop, pop. Pop. Good. No, and then you can do, or you can do... I see a fermata there. Ba and ya da 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 dee and one ya ba and two and one. Okay, almost on its way. Okay, now you have to, I would suggest that you start with the last section to memorize it and work forwards.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's on the page 2 and 3. First page, just get it done.
Got it.
Okay, and then start there. Okay, can we take your group pieces?
Yes.
Okay, so I think let's do almost 133. Okay, and then have you started to do hoedown at home too?
I briefly looked at it.
Okay, so give, just this week, and I know you're not here for part of the week, but if you can get 133 and hoedown,
Just learned or memorized.
well, I'm happy if it's learned, but if it's memorized, I will be really happy. Okay, let's see. And then take a look at the new polka also.
Okay.
Okay, where's my music here? Here we go. And the Dvorak, is that in your fingers pretty much?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so here we go. We'll go under tempo. To good, that's right, good. So and D natural, right? Okay, so once more, and listen to the G sharp, the first note. Yeah, 2. Pop, yeah, 2. Good, 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 back. G sharp. Can you write that in, G sharp? Okay, let's do it again. D natural. I would play 4 harmonic here. Yeah, can you write that in? Good. Yeah, 2. Good. 2. 5. Good. Good. So these then become triplet, 1, triplet, 1. Rest. 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 2, 3. 1, 2. Good. And these can be 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2. Good. So it's the same. See, how can we do articulation? Good. 2. Good. Now here we'll just good. Now, just to help us, what arpeggio is this?
D major.
And this one?
Augmented.
Does it sound like an augmented chord? It's a major chord. Which one?
D flat.
Yeah, can you write it in? So we have D major. So what's the difference between these two arpeggios?
There's lots of flats in this one.
Yeah, but if I played it all in a position,
One is down in second position.
yeah, but how much lower is D flat than D
Half
natural?
step.
It's just a half step, right? So D major, then a half step lower. D major, D flat major, right?
From
Yeah. So why is it important to know this? Or is it?
it is
It is, yes, that's the right answer.
when you're memorizing it.
Yeah, that's a good reason. And what does it help? To play in tune.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so D major, D, now D flat. D major and D flat. Good, but D flat major. Rest and D major. And good. 1 and 2 and good. 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 Okay, very good. And your trills are fine. So he gave us right D flat major again. But then what did he do here? What kind of chord? Diminish, yeah. It's not a seventh though. It's just a B diminished chord because we don't have an A flat in there. Good. But and F back to D flat. Good. I'm going to what chord here? Good. Write it down. Yeah. Good for you. Okay. I should give this to your theory teacher to do with you. Okay. So let's do stop bows for good. So this is interesting. Let me show you. Major third, right? Don't shift. Just move the finger. And then the A sharp is just right next to the D. No, don't shift. Just move the second finger. Good, but you have to watch. Good. And rest. Good. That's it. So good. Okay, now let's go with slurs. And rest. Good. That's good. So make sure the E is high enough. And two, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, up, down. Okay, so this will be triplet, triplet, 1, 2, 3. You see how the 3, 1 are attached?
Yeah.
And marziale means what?
March.
March. Ba, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ba, ba. One, two, three, rest. Good. So you can play in first position. Ba, ba, rest. Ba, rest. Ba. You can play 2, 3, 2. Yeah, the fingering is just if we have the double stop. Good. And what's the translation for increasingly urgent? Increasingly urgent. Right. Usually they're written in Italian or French or German. And thank you in English. Okay, so just 2. And 1, 2. 2, triplet, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Good. How about your F? That's right. I think it's fine to shift. We could do this. Oops. 1, 1, 3, 4. Is that going to be better?
Wait, what is it?
So, and now 1, 1, and 3.
I think it's fine with what it is.
Yeah, I think so too. Ba, 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 ba. 1, 4. Yeah. Okay. And ba, da, da. 1, ba, and. Good. And then you don't have to play that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So, and what interval?
Second.
Really? No, second are half step or whole step.
A perfect 4.
Yes. Just trust yourself. Just you hear it. 1, 2, 4, 1. And then that will be up, O. And good. And then what's this interval?
Perfect 5th.
Yes, good. And rest. Good. That's good. So, and then we can play 1. So, that's right. So let's play 3, 3, 1. So 4, 3, 3, 1. Good. And then we'll just stay in position. So 4, 3, 1, and then B flat. Good. That's right. So let's set that up again. No, so 4, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, and so we go F sharp, E, and okay. So let's do that again. So 1, and 3. And 3, 4, 3, 1. Good. So we'll go from here up, and then 2, and good, very good. You know, I'm thinking of changing the bowing. Let's see. Well, let's put that in. I know, let's change the bow to a down bow on that C sharp and alto to up and down, and then 2, 3.
So this is a down bow?
Yeah, no, this is these two notes here.
And then
This is
an
and
up
then
bow.
no, and this is down, up and down.
Up and down.
Yeah. I think that might give us a little bit more space. Down, 1, 2, fermata, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a solo here. You don't have to play that. And then we do down. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Good. So let's do 1, 2, 3. And can we just begin to get that memorized? And of course it goes, almost 1:33. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So next time we'll work on your PNA and we'll work on the Dvorak. And then have we covered everything?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And be peeking at your etudes also. Okay.
Do we have theory tomorrow?
Yep.
I cannot go to
Oh,
theory.
maybe we don't because groups don't really happen yet this first week.
Oh, okay, yeah. Because I was gonna say I can't go to that because I have an orchestra concert.
Oh, wow. Okay. You guys are busy.
It's like the